Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's finally here. I have been waiting 2 months for my next DHGate package to arrive. I ordered this thing on Cyber Monday. It's regularly 60 or 65 and I got it for 25. So this one is the Louis Neverfull. So at least you know they really package this thing good. Oh, that's nice. They double package this thing. So honestly, I've never really been a fan of the design of Louis Vuitton, hence why, I would never buy a real one, but, I mean, 25 bucks, if I don't like it, it's not the end of the world, and maybe this video will help somebody who does. But no, I mean, I love, the classic brown big purse. I like the idea of having this giant sack that you can just stuff endless amounts of crap in it. So it comes in a dust bag. You can see the little from China. The reason I sounded confused when I said dust bag is because this one is like a cream white color, and I watched a couple other unboxings. And it was a different color dust bag. I assume that means manufactured in Paris. I want to find and insert some pictures of the real dust bag so I can, compare. Well, it looks nice. I would have to hold this next to the real thing to know for sure, but I definitely feel like the leather just looks cheaper. Or, I mean, oh man, that is a smell. Why is the inside this color? I wanted the inside to be red. All of the other ones I watched online had this beautiful red lining. Damn it. Oh, I might have to buy another one now. I mean, not right now, because... Okay, sorry, my video got cut off from a FaceTime call, so love you, Lauren, but hopefully she doesn't call back during this video so I can finish. So it comes back with, it comes with a wallet. I mean, sure, it opens like that, but then this thing is still attached. So if I want to just use the wallet, there's this thing that I cannot take off. And what is this? Oh my god, look. If I can get my camera to focus, see how rough the edges are? It's like, God, I don't want to say this, but it's like a child cut this with scissors or something. I mean, that is so, just like a jagged, uneven, rough edge. Oh. I mean, all of the metal engraving is there. That's the inside of the wallet. Again, I wish the inside was red. I feel like it would look so much prettier if it were red. Oh. I cannot get over that jagged edge. That is not cute. You can see, ouch. This thing just freaking stabbed me. It's so sharp. Anyway, moving on. Louis Vuitton, I'm guessing made in Paris and France. French. Cowhide leather trim. I don't know. This tag, again, I've never seen the real Louis Vuitton tag, but it does not look. That inside would look so much better red. I think my next unboxing purse video is going to be from facebags.ru. Now, those bags are between 100 and 300, whereas DHGate is 20 to 100. So with that, you know, supposedly comes better quality Replica. I mean, there's nothing inherently wrong with the straps. They're just the color, the thickness of it. I don't know. I mean, I wish I had a real one to compare for you guys, but this just does not seem like it. I never understood the point of this thing. Does it just make it smaller if you have less stuff? Is it just for looks, like little decorative flaps? Miss Kitty. She's playing with a chip clip right now. This one is crooked. Okay, well, I guess it's adjustable, but I don't know. That seems pretty damn crooked to me. Like, what is the point of that? Oh my god, wait, is there supposed to be like a strap? Is that what that's for? Like if you were to clip these to a strap and hold it. Man, I wish this thing came with a strap if that's what it's for. And I mean, at least they tried, but y'all, this is half like pressed on, half melted off. I don't know. I mean, for 25 bucks, it's nice, but if I had paid the full $65 for this, I'd be pissed. On the plus side, at least it came, even though it took 2 months from China. At least it came, but I don't know if I will wear this in public. I want to hold up a picture of the real one for you guys and count like how far down the real pattern starts. I'm pissed. I'm ending this video.